Happy Juneteenth, y'all. Hi, welcome back to my channel, That Girl Creates. I am a conscious creative, so subscribe to my channel for all things health, wellness, creativity, and a little bit of things in between. Today, I am making soul food. I love soul food. It gives me life, it feeds my soul, and it's so appropriate for today, which is Juneteenth. So that's to give like a full history lesson, but I do want to give a quick recap on Juneteenth and the importance of it to Black folk in America. The Emancipation Proclamation happened on January 1st, 1863. But we weren't all free until June 19th, 1865. It's so many days, which was when troops came down to Galveston, Texas, and they were led by Union General Gordon Granger. So they went down there to announce the end of the Civil War to everybody who didn't hear, because they didn't have social media, they didn't have Twitter, you know, everything at the palm of their hands like we do now. Why it took 2.5 years to do that, I couldn't tell you. But that is why June 19th is special to Black people, because that's when we actually were free, even though, well, you already know what we're going through right now. But Juneteenth became like a national holiday in the 1980s. Basically, it's our Independence Day. It's our July 4th. It's for cookouts, it's for turn-ups, it's for spending time with your loved ones and your family. It's for taking the day off from all that we do. So some of the traditional foods for Juneteenth is watermelon, which is ironic because I'm allergic to it. Barbecue and soul food. Soul food, especially greens and black-eyed peas. So I wanted to show y'all how I prepared my vegan soul food dinner, featuring my black-eyed pea fritters, my sweet potato mash, my cabbage, and some plantains just to throw in there just because why not. This meal truly fed my soul, and it really brought me closer to my ancestors. Like, my favorite person who made cabbage was my grandma, and she passed away several years ago. But this is my first time making it on my own too, so I was calling on her. You know, me and measurements we don't be there. But you know, she helped me come through with the cabbage. The cabbage was phenomenal, if I do say so myself. And it just made me reflect on the good memories that I had with her. I just felt closer to my people when I was making this. So I wanted to share this with y'all. I hope y'all enjoy this recipe, and I would love if y'all gave this video a thumbs up, and you know, give me a comment. And have you tried black-eyed peas fritters before? Like, how y'all feeling about it? It's very tasty. It was my first time making it, and I had a good time with this meal. I felt the love in every bite. I just want y'all to know that this is a perfect vegan soul food Juneteenth dinner. So without further ado, let's roll the clips. So I am going to attempt making black-eyed pea fritters for the first time. I have confidence in myself. I'm usually able to pull things off, but we shall see. I feel like this food processor is going to speed things up for me, because I'm about to just throw all this in there and chop it up and get it formed. I've had my chia seeds soaking for a little bit. That's going to be like a big consistency. I honestly could have used my flax seeds, but I don't know. I'm going to try chia seeds today. So I might do another one and try with flax seeds and see which one is better, if there's any difference. But yeah, I'm just gonna make this and call it a day. So I'm using about half of each vegetable and just putting it in my food processor. Don't mind Keenan. I don't know what he was doing. I think washing dishes. This is my first time using a processor, and I'm super excited. I'm just adding a couple of cloves of garlic, a little bit of the spring onion, and some thyme to give it flavor. And this is my chia egg. I was going to use flax seeds, but I kind of wanted to try it this way. These are my seasonings: white pepper, garlic powder, sage, Cajun Creole seasoning, poultry, cayenne pepper, 21 salute, and minced onion. And there you have it. I'm going to go ahead and blend this baby on up. So I was going to give y'all a little bit of food processing ASMR, but I was jamming to this cookout playlist, and what I'm not going to do is get demonetized before I even start getting monetized. So hopefully you know what a food process sounds like. But basically I pulsed it a few times, then let it go on for a little while longer, and basically that's how it is. So now I'm just making the patties using the palm of my hands as a base, and I'm trying to get it as circular as possible. And now I'm just sprinkling my patties with some more seasoning because we ain't having no dry fritters up in here. We ain't having no unseasoned fritters. We doing this for the culture. We're gonna make sure that it's all looking delicious, and it is. So now we're gonna go ahead and put this in the fridge, let it sit for a few minutes. I don't know why I just got so hyped, but we're gonna move on to the cabbage. So I will confess, this is my first time making cabbage, like on my own. I know, I'm an adult, I understand, but my grandma made the best cabbage, and just making this brought back so many memories, and she really came through. She really came through. So you know I had to throw in my little plantains, however you say it. And so I just wanted to show two different ways to cut it. You can cut it lengthwise like this, or kind of short like that, whichever way you prefer. My cabbage is cooking down quite nicely, and I just put my plantains in the pan. Look at how brown and pretty. It's ready to come out. I'm gonna put it on a plate, set it aside, and start on these fritters. So the electric slide was playing at this point. But I just wanted to show y'all how pretty they looked. So I let these sit in the fridge for about 15-20 minutes, and I'm using the same pot as my plantains, plantains, however you say it. So I'm just letting these babies cook, and I'm so excited for this. Like, look. Now I will say that I wasn't paying attention. It's a little brown, but it's gonna be good. I tasted it. This is what it's looking like. Final product. Now it's time to plate. One's missing because I did a taste test. Almost forgot about my sweet potato that I had in the whole time. I'm going to mash it, season it with some cinnamon, nutmeg, black pepper, and call it a day. This is what the plate's looking like so far. So delicious, so tasty. Can't wait to complete it and eat it. So this is the plate, and y'all, so good, so good. That cabbage, the cabbage, the cabbage, so freaking good. I added a little bit of sauce on top and some more of the spring onions just to make it fancy, because you know I was plating it. Ugh, so good, so good. Now the Tootsie Roll is playing, child. But I just wanted to show that I threw some hot sauce on it, and it just set it right on off. Don't forget to like this video. I hope y'all enjoyed this vegan soul food dinner recipe video, and let me know if y'all want more of these, because I'm into it and I love it and it's delicious.